Hi, in this video we look at how to set up a planned maintenance task. Now, since planned maintenance tasks can be assigned to one or more assets, we don't have to choose the asset in the tree first. We can go straight to the PM Task tab, and by clicking on the plus we then start to create our planned maintenance task. In this case I'm just going to simply call it a 1 weekly inspection. And I could add some internal technicians, and I'll just choose one and say he'll be required for an hour. I could then click on the contractor tab, choose one of those, and say he will also be required for 1 hour. Then I have the instructions, and then I come to the triggers. Obviously I am going to choose weekly, and I'd like 3 days warning, so that's 3 threshold days of this to-do work order. I then click the plus on the periodical task to add in, say for example, my motor. Type in MOT, press return, and click on the motor and go down on the page and select items. That means that on the 21st of September this planned maintenance task will create its first work order. Now I'd like to show you how to add documents. There are 2 types of documents. One is a simple attachment which is taken into the database. So I click on the plus for the attachment and I click browse. In this case I could pick up any document. You'll allow me in this case just to pick up an image, but it could be a Word file, it could be a PDF, an AutoCAD drawing. All I have to do is click open, and there is the file attached. Now you can't see it until you save it, so just be aware of that. Now I'm going to add a control document. Control documents are a little bit different to attachments insofar as that they are not taken into the database. So when I click on the plus to add a control document, I now manually have to add the path to the controlled document. In this case I will then click my Windows Explorer, and maybe I will go to, let's go to the same area where I also picked up my little yellow text file. This time I'm going to add in the purple. Now what I need to do is to copy this path. C, data, FlexMaint, icons, 16 by 16. In this version of Windows I can click the mouse here, and there is the path. If I press Ctrl C and come back to FlexMaint, I can press Ctrl V. That's the first part. I must now add the file name and its extension. So I have to click or type the backslash, and then I have to type the name of the file, which if I just go back to my folder, I can see that it's called purple.jpg. Now it could be called something.pdf or something.doc, but here I have to add my purple.jpg. So the difference is, when you're attaching an attachment you can just browse and click on the file, but when you're attaching a controlled document you have to first of all find the path, then you have to add the backslash, and then you have to add the name of the file and its extension. Now you can click save. And that is your planned maintenance task saved. If I click here, I will get the latest one at the top, and here is my 1 weekly inspection. I can click on it and edit, and here back in the documents I can see I have my yellow and my purple file. Thanks for watching.